Most of the questions from ecology are going to be static in nature. They are going to be static in nature. मतलब जो ठीक से ढंग से कवर कर लिया तो ये हो जाएगा. Current affairs is going to give you a context for asking a question here. There will be current affairs questions also. Some of the questions are going to be current related also, but it is going to give you a context. A context आपको मिलेगा which will make sure that the topic becomes important and relevant. Okay, so let me show two important examples in this from this unit. One static, another current affairs. Ecology unit के अंदर अगर पूरा के पूरा static question आ सकता है तो ये 2025 का लास्ट ईयर का क्वेश्चन है. Okay, so can we try to solve this? ये ecology से कैसे related है ये भी मैं बताऊंगा. Why I have put it in ecology? Why not in any other section? Okay, I'll tell you. Try to solve this. With reference to the planet Earth, consider the following statements. Rainforests produce more oxygen than that produced by the oceans. It appears so, but not. Oceans are the largest producers of oxygen. Larger surface area, both temporally as well as spatially. Okay, historically also life was present only inside the ocean. Okay, the blue-green algae is responsible for most of the oxygen which is present in the atmosphere. Marine phytoplanktons and photosynthetic bacteria produces about 50% of the world's oxygen. Yes, major component comes from the oceans only. Well oxygenated surface water contains several folds higher oxygen than that in the atmosphere. No. The capacity of the water to store oxygen is less compared to the capacity of the air. ठीक है, आंसर तो मिल गया. Now how to target this kind of questions? Different types of ecosystems. There is a rainforest ecosystem, there is aquatic ecosystem. When you study about the different types of ecosystem, you need to focus upon what are the biotic components, abiotic components, उसके conditions क्या है, okay, so diversity कितना है, so photosynthetic capacity क्या है, oxygen producing capacity क्या है, ये सारा उसका nature समझते समझते आपको समझ आ जाएगा.